Hey everyone, it's me, your personal trainer Marcus. I want to let you know how breads or baked goods rather, are actually contributing to your diet. Here's what's going on. A lot of you all are eating pastries and cakes and donuts and all those good foods, tasty foods that is, because they're more readily available to you. In America, we have went from, or the culture has went from agriculture to manufacturer or corporate manufacturing of goods, such as wheats and grains. And what that does is it allows those particular products to be more readily available to you and more cheaper. So, in other words, what I am saying is money has caused food to be artificially available to you, which means that your body is responding to foods in a unnatural way because of the availability of foods. So, you're eating more bread, which means you're eating more grains, you're eating more wheat, and you're eating more flour at a quicker rate and less expensively as if you were to grow it yourself. That's one reason why you're getting fat from breads. Another reason why you're getting fat from breads is because of the sugars that are added to the pastries or cakes, whatever you're making. Our taste buds receive the flavor, and we receive pleasure from eating those sweet goods. And what happens is there's a mechanism called a feedback loop in the body. So whenever you eat something sweet, your body relaxes and it enjoys it. And you associate relaxation with that particular food. So that's why we get fat from baked goods. So what's my remedy to this? Well, cut down on the breads that you eat. Everyone tells you that, but here's how I want you to do it. If you're eating a sandwich, use one slice of bread. Cut the bread in half and make half a sandwich. That's one way to cut down your bread. Use low-calorie sugars, not aspartame. That's toxic. Use like a nectar. I like using nectar sometimes. A honey. Or also, one big thing you can also do is limit the amount of baking that you do. That will help you with your consumption of breads and cakes. Okay? So if you have any questions, email me at marcusfitpro@gmail.com. Or you can contact me at my rebukeobesity@gmail.com account. That's rebukeobesity@gmail.com. And you can participate in any type of health instruction or guidance that you may need. Talk to you later.